Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make Sopa de Frijoles Chiricanos, or also known as brown Tepary bean soup. I hope you guys like it. It was made with lots of joy and dedication, so here we go. So frijoles chiricanos, or brown tepary, are a small, hearty, and dense type of bean. It has a slight nutty taste to it. These beans grow particularly in the Chiriquí province, which you can see is right by the border with Costa Rica. It is eaten all throughout Panama, although some provinces include it in their meals more than others. So we're going to start off by turning on the stove to a medium heat and adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So now I'm going to add 3 cloves of garlic into my garlic press, and I'm going to press away. I hate the smell of garlic on my fingers, so this has been the best gift I have ever received. So now I'm just chopping away. Add some pumpkin or squash, some cilantro or culantro, tomatoes, and onions. I like my soups very hearty. I like them supercharged with vegetables. So at this point, you could modify the amounts to whatever you like. Now I'm just going to add all of this to my pot and start to see all these magnificent colors and smell all these wonderful aromas. So now I'm going to toss in 2 cups of beans. I have pre-soaked these the night before for about 12 hours, and I did a quick rinse right before using them for this video. So I just want to toss everything together. I want to make sure that all the juices of the vegetables combine with the beans. I'm going to add in my 4 cups of water and my spices. I'm going to be using some cumin, some salt, some vegetable stock seasoning, and some bay leaves. I really like spices. I enjoy them. So at this point you can modify the recipe with as much or as little as spice you want. So at this point I've placed the lid. If I need some more water, then I will add it. If I need some more spices, then I'll add it. I'm just making sure that everything tastes good. I'm going to have this in about a medium-high heat for 35 to 45 minutes, depending on how long it's going to take the bean to soften. And I'm going to be stirring constantly, so maybe 6 to 10 minutes, a little stir and a little taste to make sure that everything is on point. And here we have it, some brown Tepary bean soup, Sopa de Frijoles Chiricanos. I love having it with white rice, with salad, and with Salvadorian picadillo. That video will be coming up next, sooner rather than later. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you soon.